In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Manor Lords on PC or laptop. So what you want to do is firstly download Steam, which is one of the platforms where you can buy, download, and install and then of course play games. And it's one of the platforms where you can find Manor Lords, and I would actually recommend it since it's the biggest out there. So what you want to do is go to Google and type in Steam, and then the first link that pops up is the store.steampower.com link, and it says welcome to Steam. You want to click on it, go to install Steam up here, then press install Steam and select your platform over here, and then you want to click on it. For me is Windows, as you can see. You want to open up the Steam setup that downloads, put in your admin pin in case you have to do that, and then you are greeted with the Steam setup. Now in here you want to press next, select your language and click next yet again, and then you want to press install over here. Okay, you can of course change the destination folder, but that's not necessary. You can do it if you want to. And now once you've done this and your Steam has been automatically installed to your computer, you then have to open up the app. I'm not going to install it again since, as you can see, I have it already on my computer. You will then have to open up Steam and then either log in or create an account in case you don't have one already. Now if you don't have one, just simply create it over there. It's very simple. It will guide you through it, and then once you've done it, log in, and this is the exact same page you will see. So this is the Steam store. Now in case you don't see that, you want to click on store up here, and that's it. Then you want to go to the search box and type in Manor Lords. As you can see, it's the first thing that pops up. You want to press it, scroll down here to where it says buy Manor Lords. You want to press it where it says add to cart, then click on view my cart. And then of course we want it for ourselves, so make sure it says for my account over here. And then you press continue to payment. And then of course, in order for you to play this game, you wanna buy it. You have to buy it. There's no way to get the free version of the game legally, okay? So you have to buy it. You have to select the payment method over here from the drop-down menu. In my case, I'm going to choose PayPal, but you can choose any one of these. It doesn't really matter. And then you want to click continue, go through the entire checkout process, pay for the game and buy it. And once you've bought it, your game will be added to your Steam library up here. And you want to press it and then check games here on the left, and you'll see your Manor Lords game here on the left. You want to press it, press this install button over here, which will install the game for you automatically. And once that's done installing, you will see that this button has turned into a big green play button, and you want to click on it and the game will launch up and you can start playing.